Well, amateur woodworker here. Again, here's another table I made from my wife's booth. Live edge. On there. I want y'all to tell me how much this is worth, what I could sell this for. Leave it in the comments. And this dish right here, we cannot find one like it. If y'all know anything about glass, we think it's the better kind, not some knockoff, but it could be. So I just want to show y'all this table right here. Leave me some comments. How much should I sell this for? What is this glass thing worth right here?